deciding the goal and making the movie. So it may take 2 days, 5 days, whatever. Then we have each step. Now you see the total has to be 48. Okay. So here you can adjust the relaxation and perception of breathing. This step I put 14 minutes and 12 minutes. But let's say you have been practicing for 6 months, 1 year. You can reduce this time. You can make this 4 minutes and add it in the contemplation step, therapeutic thinking, step number 9. So it will become 9 minutes and this will become 10 minutes. Somebody will say, no, I don't need 10 minutes. I can relax in 5 minutes. Some people have developed a personality, they are always relaxed. So each step, the time will depend on where you are in the journey. A person who has never done meditation, I would suggest spend 30 minutes in relaxation only. Spend 15-20 minutes in perception of breathing only. But unless you learn how to concentrate, where you are going to concentrate here and visualize color and all that. So decide where you are in the journey and you can adjust the time accordingly. And I say, let's say 3 breathing exercise, 4 minutes each, 12 minutes, 48 plus 12, 1 hour to invest in yourself. It's a great SIP, people talk about systematic investment plan. So you have the SIP. Yeah. Any other question? Anybody?
I was wondering, is it really measurable? Or how do we know that person is he really meditating or not?
Thank you, Sarang. Look here. Fortunately, science has advanced so much that today it is possible for us to measure. You see this headband? It's connected with the mobile, Bluetooth. And when you are doing meditation, it will measure your alpha wave. When you are awake, the brain wave, you can measure the brain wave. It's normally more than 14 CPS. When you are sleeping, it is less than 7 CPS. But when you are meditating, neither sleep nor awake, is 7 to 14 cycles per second, and you can actually measure the meditation. So many people come to me, I've been doing meditation for 10 years and said, sit, let's measure. You'll be surprised. The person sits for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, hardly 1 minute the mind is actually doing meditation. Hardly 1 minute the mind is at alpha wave. So yes, meditation is measurable. It is possible. Thank you. Good question. Hanji. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Absolutely. Absolutely. Good point. Amazing. Anand, let me tell you, what is the first step? Goal. So once you decide the goal and then you are making a process. Right? If you think that my goal is I'll be very happy and peaceful when I'm doing my painting or singing. That's it. But that is like taking, fringe benefit. Meditation has much more thing to give you. The fact that you are able to concentrate so much, you will be able to tell your subconscious mind even higher goals. More virtues can be acquired. So why only fringe benefit? I really appreciate. Yes, sir. Perfect. Your name? Milin. Thank you, Milin. I'm happy you asked this very important question. I'll just repeat. The person has been doing meditation and all that, and sometimes you need that instant meditation effect, you know. So let me give one example of cricket match. In cricket match, there are net practice. What is that net practice? It is to make yourself prepared for the real contest. When you are doing meditation, you are preparing, it's that practice. But when the situation arises, all your subconscious mind power will tell you, it will control the emotion. What kind of emotion is required, whether it is anger or compassion. We want to be friendly. Instead, we become angry. Hey, you don't know how to cross. Oh, you are spitting here. Instead of having compassion feeling. But if you are doing meditation, then you will have the change in the personality. That time you don't need to do meditation. That time you don't need to do anything. Because you have done the net practice. Are you with me? Great. Thank you very much.